it is. And you do these things and think it is cool. Look for the depot you're going to now. You're going to do a video. And you're going to look for Aidonia. And say, Aidonia have sacrificed his one son's life. And you feel good to come on the internet and sit down and talk about this. You feel great about it. Right? At the end of the day and all that, Aidonia have lost his son. And Aidonia lose his son as a baby. The love when you have for his son. And you find it to come out of your mouth and use word to say that if it is possible that Aidonia have sacrificed his one son. How dare you come out of your mouth and put something and say that the man have sacrificed one son? And if Aidonia see out the road and take a cutlass and chop you up in a pieces now, you're going to hear say Aidonia this and Aidonia going to do time in a jail because of people like you. I get tired of people like you. Right tired. You can't play with me, Artie. Artie, you can't make the mistake. Just make a mistake. And play with me like that now, dog. Just make a mistake and go down the road with me. Make a mistake. I'm going to show you what day it is and what time it is. Me I pray to God the Almighty that somebody will fix you one of this day. I pray to God that somebody will tie one rope on your neck and drive and you sit down there so. And people, I am saying this with not even apology, no regret about it. There's a time and place for everything. Why would you get up and say, I don't sacrifice his son? You know the man and his wife, the grief him go through of losing his son? Do you know how your wife feel to lose a baby where she bring for 9 months? Do you know how Aidonia feel that him have to bury his son? And you get up, you talk about spice, you put death pan spice, you put death pan the one day, them a go fine and them a go in pieces. One of this day, them a go fine you and them a go mince you up in pieces because you feel like say you have power. And the same fake over where you get up and sell people every day and take people money. One of these people that give you their money I go fix a business. It's just a matter of time. Time is the master. Time is the master. You saw them do young boss? Because I'm out, and the worst thing happened to him, I go happen to you. And you have kids. You have kids. You have a wife. And you get up and say this about the man picnic. It bothers me because guess what happened? It's true nobody. I get up and file a lawsuit against people like you. And I respect Spice and I rate Spice. I do not like all of Spice music. But I am so, what do you call it, disappointed in Spice. That Spice would make you sit down on the internet every day and put death on our life. Predict all these things on our life and you're still walking and should not do something about it. Right? Remember say you go a party, you know? Remember say you love go a party, go dash your money in a party. Remember say you always a traveling, you know? It's just a matter of time. And if you keep up that way you do, you keep up that you're doing, the end of the year now go catch you. Because somebody will go fix you. Keep doing the job that you're doing. You're doing an excellent job. And you're talking about these things. And you're putting these things on people. And you're talking about your reader man and your this and your that. I remember say me boss you, you know. Remember say me and SWAT team boss you make you have a name, you know. Remember say me the first man ever come out and talk about there, you know. Remember say, my wings come out in an RT. Remember that, you know. I mean, no for one boy can come out and come talk about you. Remember that. But I've never done certain things. And you know why gonna make you lose your life? The people in money where you take away. The scamming money where you take away. The predicament that you're making on people's life. That is what I gonna make you lose your life. Them gonna find you somewhere, gang somewhere. And I'm the only blogger that will never get up and put up RIP for you. I'm the only blogger that will never ever get up and say what them done to you is a wicked act. I'll be the first blogger to bust a buckle and drink and say you get exactly what you deserve. Exactly what you deserve. Eh? You think say Aidonia's son could have been my son? You think Aidona's son could have been my son? And you get up and come on the internet come see them farmers something the way I say? Eh? I mean, find the entire rope run a long time. You think you could have come out and talk about me like that, dog? This is on a different level. And I hope and I pray to God. I pray to God that when I do a wall somewhere, and beat the hell out of you. I hope that somebody around Aidonia, I hope that somebody out of entourage will find you and see you somewhere in some party and take out every teeth out of your mouth. I pray to God up above. I pray to the Almighty God up above that one Aidonia entourage will hold you and take up pliers and take out every teeth out of your mouth one by one. And when they don't take out the teeth then one by one, then you... Me never say I don't get up and involve in no passa with nobody. Me never say I don't comment on certain things on the internet. Never yet. I've never said I don't get involved in no form of passa. And Aidonia is not my artist. I do not like Aidonia song. A 2 times ever say Aidonia in my life. I'm a wave to him and that's it. 2 times. Certain artists don't get involved in a passa. Not because they do dancehall song. And you know have nobody else's name for call. And the man's son dead because of a illness. And the man bury his son. And he no heal over his son yet. Him and the wife still a go through it. Not because you no say I don't and his wife I do show all over the place. Not because you say I don't out there jump up on stage. Feel like saying forget about his son. That was his son. And his son was a baby. And you get up. And you press live. And you come on live. And you use this. And you talk about the man sacrificing his son. Now, when you think about it, and the dumb, illiterate, stupid ass people that sit on the live and watch and entertain those are the asshole them that make you feel like you do something good. And you go press live. Remember, as me saying, I don't have a friend, Me never sit down and drink with Aidonia yet. But when me see the situation, so Aidonia lose his son. Lose his son. Me feel it for him and feel it for his wife because that could be anybody's kid. And Aidonia not trouble nobody. You know, see me and sit down and listen to Aidonia song. Aidonia is not my artist. I never care about none of Aidonia music. But we care about the person as an individual. And as much as I do my blogging and say things, I will never come on live and get involved into certain kind of things when it comes down to a situation like that. You understand? And I don't know who give you the right and the permission for you to press live and come on live. It's pretty much your happy celebrating that Aidonia lose his son. You're celebrating. The question I want to ask, when somebody are going to fix you? When somebody going to fix you the right way. When you go wake up one morning and press Instagram or Facebook and see. So then find RT Alex somewhere in some garbage house. When? And someone are going to disagree and say, don't wish that on nobody. Some of these people, when they don't like it, they don't need to be in a society. Some of these people that are, and no fun of people that on the internet sound a blog and things like that, no fun are going to lose in their life.